Hey everybody, this is Nancy Basile with the Media Medusa shop on Etsy, and I'm just doing a quick and dirty video to show you how to use any of my zero debt charts. You start at zero, meaning that's how much money you've saved or put into your account, and then you fill it up to whatever you're trying to pay off. I have a bunch of different ones. This one happens to be a guinea pig zero debt color in chart because I love guinea pigs. We have two. There are a bunch others on my shop. There's castles and swords. There's superhero logos. There are things for medieval and fantasy. So you can check them out at mediamedusashop.etsy.com, or just go to etsy.com and type in Media Medusa Shop and it'll come up. Okay, so let's get started. So I left a space here on the top where you can say what you're focusing on paying off. So for instance, maybe your guinea pig had some surgery and you're paying off your vet bill. Okay? And down here again, you start at zero for how much you've paid off, and then you can fill in the increments. I'm gonna say that my guinea pig's vet bill, oh dear, what could it be, $2,000? Wait. So then you can spread out the increments. Now, I can't do the math quick enough in my head to figure out how many, what the increment should be between 0 and 2,000 to make it work, but you get the idea. You could start at 0 and then go to 100, and then 200, and then 300, etc., and on and on and on and up until you get to your goal. Again, you might want to use a calculator to take your total and then divide by the number of lines there are to know what your increment should be. And then as you hit your increments, then you can color it in. Now you can color it in with crayons or markers or colored pencils. You can make a rainbow colored. It can be all one color. You can be whatever you want, or you could just take your pen and simply go like this to say that you've paid $100 towards this debt. Does that make sense? I think it does. If you have any questions about it, you can always email me at nancy@mediamedusa.com. And again, if you want any of these debt trackers, go to mediamedusashop.etsy.com. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.